Beloved South Africans, greetings. This is Mandisa Mthembu, the Seventh of Sevens, the voice of the voiceless. Today I'm continuing with the SA Skills Development Institute. But before I continue with the courses, I want to encourage young people to be true to themselves and never let the opinions of others about you to define you. You are wonderfully made by God, and God has a purpose for each and every one of you. Never give up in your hope, never give up in your dreams, never give up in your belief in God and Jesus Christ. Most young people are finding it hard to participate in the government, to participate in the economy, because the government is not creating a conducive environment to empower them to rise to the occasion. The ANC and their GNU partners, they rule the country. They want to rule over obedient, unskilled, poor slaves. That's the philosophy of the mark of the beast government. A government of fear, a government of mass control and captivity, where talent is stifled, voices are silenced, and authenticity is punished, and betrayal and conformity is rewarded. 31 years after democracy, and the masses got nothing to show for it. No land, no capital, no reparations, no economic repair. If you don't comply to the mark of the beast government, democracy, false democracy, you are excluded from the economy and are gradually dispossessed and displaced by illegal foreigners. This is not only physical but spiritual, and it requires a spiritually gifted leader who has intelligence to navigate the dynamics and to dismantle those chains of mediocrity and mental slavery tools of mass control and mass brainwash, and instilling fear on the people of South Africa. Young people, you don't need permission to showcase your talent. You don't need approval of others to be who you were born to be. Don't ever trade your authenticity for validation and acceptance. Believe in yourself, hone your skills, and escape mass control by staying true to yourself and believing in God. We all have God-given purpose in this life, and we are not to waste it on alcohol, drugs, and useless things. We are here to change the system. We are here to make our mark. So I'm continuing on the part 2 of the SA Skills Development Institute. This is number 5, the course that are going to be there. Food and beverages, number 5. Service steward, it takes 3 months. Food and beverage service steward, also known as a waiter, waitress, is responsible for efficiently and cautiously serving food and beverage to guests of hotel, restaurants, and canteens and banquet functions. The job involves greeting the guests and helping them by taking down their orders, serve them with tableware, food, beverages, and accompaniments. Final clear the used dishes and settle customers' accounts as per company's policy. Typical job roles, positions for this is waiter, food and beverage server, bartender, catering staff, restaurant supervisor, and restaurant manager. Course number 6, industrial electrician. This will only take 6 months. The industrial electrician is responsible for installation, upkeep, diagnosis, and resolution of issues with electrical equipment and system in use in industrial equipment and systems in use in industrial and manufacturing facilities, including industrial wiring. The job requires performing preventative maintenance and ensuring the safe and efficient operation of industrial equipment and systems. This involves installation, maintenance, repair work, and electrical wiring of electrical infrastructure, electronic equipment in an industrial environment, and also demonstrable ability to use electrical hand tools and electrical drawings and blueprints. The person should have thorough knowledge of safety procedures and legal regulations, guidelines, and electrical coding standards. The typical job roles: position, electrician, maintenance technician, instrumentation technician, field service technician. Selection criteria must be qualified NQ6 electrical engineering graduate from a recognized FET colleges. 7, industrial welder. This skills transfer will take 6 months. Industrial welder is widely responsible for performing welding and fabrication work and variety of equipment and structures used to extraction, production, and transportation of oil and gas and other industries. The job involves using manual and semi-automatic welding equipment to weld different types of metals together, ferrous, non-ferrous, following drawing and welding process specifications. They are specializing in certain types of welding, such as welding pipeline, automotive, and construction welding. The job title, roles, positions for this course will be a welder, a fabricator, welding technician, welding inspector, and pipeline welder, rig welder, and welding supervisor. Number 8, pipe fitter, CGD. This course will take 5 months. The pipe fitter CGD is responsible for pipe fitting, joining, welding, laying, and installation of metal pipes in city gas distribution projects for transportation and Transnet, as well as other projects pertaining to the refineries, petrochemicals, factories, and job involves installation, assembling, fabrication, maintenance, and repair of piping systems used in oil, gas facilities. This includes cutting and bending, threading, and welding of pipes to specific measures and specifications. The typical job roles for this position is oil and gas pipeline technician, pipe welder, fabricator, and industrial pipe fitter. The reason why I'm developing this SA Skills Development Institute is because we are going to need these skills to rebuild our country. And we will need young people to be able to have skills and to employ them in rebuilding what has been destroyed by the previous government. Please stay tuned as I continue on the next session, part 3 of the SA Skills Development Institute, the courses that are to be done by the youth of South Africa. I thank you.